Hey, I'm Tyler Lemmond, and welcome back to another Network Plus CertMaster Labs by CompTIA. We are doing lab number 2.7, Connect Patch Panel Cables 2. You are a network technician for a small corporate network. You recently made a patch panel connection for the workstation at Office 1. You now want to provide network and internet connectivity for the computers in a few other offices. In this lab, your task is to connect the patch panel cables between the patch panel and the Cisco switch. Use the following table to determine the correct paths. This is going to be super easy. This is light work. Remember what I said in the last one? All patch panel is a place where all of the wires from all of the building come together in one spot that are nice, neat, organized, and labeled, and then that connects to the switch. That's exactly what we're doing. So all we have to do is go zoom into this patch panel right here. We want exec 1, which is right here, and we only have one cable. Fantastic. And that needs to go to port 1, so we're gonna go to port 1. Done. Now we're gonna go to sub right here, and that needs to go to port 6. Port 6 has the arrow right there. Boom. Now we're gonna go to lobby. The lobby is right here, so we'll do lobby right there, and that's going to port 8, which is gonna be right here. Remember, the arrow tells you which port it is. So port 8, arrow up. Port 20, arrow down. So we want port 8. It's gonna be right here, and then that should be it, because it's not even asking us to determine anything like that. It just wanted us to follow the diagram. And did you expect anything less? There we go. Okay, if you like the video, like, subscribe, all that good things. And remember, work with what you got and build what you need, and I'll catch you in the next one.